It is now confirmed Sania Mirza is indeed marrying Pakistani cricketer Shoaib Malik. Sania Mirza's family has confirmed the news that the tennis ace will marry Pakistani cricketer Shoaib Malik. Earlier it was the Pakistani media that had been reporting that the Indian tennis ace is set to tie the knot with former Pakistani captain Shoaib Malik. Sania was in fact earlier engaged, remember, to Sohrab Mirza last year, but the pair called it off earlier this year by mutual consent. In fact, Shoaib Malik, the cricketer, has tweeted and confirmed the information. He has confirmed the news on Twitter. Shoaib Malik tweeted saying the wedding would be in April, which is in a few days from now, and the two would live in Dubai after the wedding. That's Shoaib Malik on Twitter confirming the news. He is going to marry Sania Mirza. Also, Ragini joining us in the Mumbai Newsfeed. Ragini, we believe the couple have now confirmed the information. They were in fact seeing each other for 6 months now, it so appears.
Yes, Marav, that's right. It's now coming out what exactly happened, and what the real story is that yes, they were in fact in touch through SMS. They met apparently at a common friend's place in Dubai. That's where they really got to know each other. And also the fact that they were involved with each other for 6 months is what is coming out now. Another very interesting twist in the tale, Mahrukh, is that before this, Shoaib Malik, the former Pakistani cricketer, was in fact involved with another Hyderabadi lady, Aisha Siddiqui. This was in January 2009 when there were rumors that he perhaps got married to Aisha Siddiqui over the phone. That's what he claimed, but that obviously got called off. It is also believed that Sania Mirza perhaps could have a link with Aisha Siddiqui because they're both from Hyderabad and they could know each other. That is another thing that we are getting to know, and it's very interesting that how Shoaib Malik has been linked with Indian beauties. In January 2008, he was also linked with the model called Sayali Bhagat, and now it is confirmed that they will marry and they will be living in Dubai.